Hi guys, I just wanted to show you how you could sign up to be a VIP, especially this weekend with the flash sale with the shampoo and conditioners. You will also get the free air dry cream, which is amazing. Along with that, if you order before January 10th, which you will this weekend, you'll also get the free wet brush, which is amazing. So log on to my website, sarahtaylor.mymonat.com, go to the section that says VIP and click on Become a VIP, Enrollment, US. And then you have the personal information section. I just want to point out two things here. Number one, username and password. Make sure you have that written down somewhere or saved in the notes on your phone because you will have to log in later. The second thing I wanted to point out is the $19.99 fee. This is just a once in your lifetime fee. You will never have to pay that again. So again, I'm just going to pause it right now and put in the personal information, and I'll show you what the next page looks like. When you click continue and get to the next page, this is the page where you get to select your products. Before I even select products, the first thing I want you to look at is selecting your next flagship date. This is important. Okay, you are required after you sign up to try 2 other flagships. Okay, the furthest you can push it back is 60 days. So today is January 5th, so I want to go ahead and push it back till about March 5th. So once you have that chosen, I want you to mark that in your calendar, put it in your phone or whatever, just so you have it written down. So that way before that time, the 5th of March, maybe the 1st of March or something like that, you log back in. And when you log back in, you have a couple of options. You can push your flagship date out even further, or you can move it up. The other thing you can do is choose different products. So today we are going to choose some products to place in the flagship, but it's not permanent. You can always go back and change that later. Okay, so after you've done the flagship date, you're going to choose products for today's order by clicking Add to Cart. So that's today's order. The second thing you'll do is choose items for your flagship by clicking Flagship. And just so you know, whatever you put in your flagship, you will not pay for today. That will come out of your credit card or whatever card you put on here, the date of the flagship, which happens to be the 5th of March, or again, if you choose to push it back, you can later. The total for each order must be at least $84. That's how you get the free shipping. Okay, so for today's flash sale, you can go to the flash sale with 1 conditioner or the flash sale with 2. Just because you can get such a good deal right now, I'm going to go ahead and do the 2 conditioners. So you'll see here the flash sale options. These are all the conditioners, and they're kind of mixed and matched in here. And if you scroll down, you have the 4 options for our shampoos. I personally really like the black shampoo, so I'm going to add one of those to my cart, since again we're doing the 2 conditioners. And then I also use Revive, so I'm going to add those 2 to the cart. And if you're not sure what to get, please ask me. I'd be happy to help you. So you can see those 2 are in the cart. Those are regularly priced, or actually 15% off because you're the VIP. Now we have to choose the 2 conditioners. Now I do want you to pay close attention because it's kind of hard to see. Like right here, if you kind of hover over it, you can see this is the Revitalize Conditioner and the Intense Repair Conditioner. When I first glanced at it, I thought they were the same products, but they are different. This one here is Revitalize and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This one is Revitalize and Smoothing. Now here we have 2 Revitalizes. Those are my favorites, so that's probably what I would choose. But then, you know, you have all these other options. Again, I would be happy to help you choose those. But for the sake of what I would purchase, I just want the 2 Revitalizes. Those would be for me. So I'm going to add that to the cart. And again, that's the awesome, awesome sale price of $25. So about $12.50 each, which is great. So there we have the subtotal. So now we have to choose the second thing, items for your next flagship. This is where you can kind of play around with it. You know, add some fun stuff to your cart. I always do a dry shampoo because the dry shampoo is amazing, but again, choose whatever you want. I'm going to put that in the flagship, so you can see that right there. I also really like the hairspray, so I'm going to go to the styling section, click the flagship, add that there. Again, it should show up, yep, on my flagship total, which is $66. We want it to be $84. So since I'm on this page, I'm going to go ahead and put some blowout cream, which is awesome, onto the flagship as well. So that gets us to $95, which meets our $84 requirement. So now we have the date, we have today's order subtotal, okay, which is here. This is what you will pay today plus tax. And then this is what you'll pay on your next flagship order. So go ahead and click continue. Actually, you know what? Just so you know, I was going to continue on. But the next page will get you to billing and shipping, and then the final page will be to review and submit, which is pretty self-explanatory. So at this point, I think we're good to go. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help you. Thank you so much. I think you will love the products.